while your teacup is spinning. And please do watch your children. To spin your teacup, just keep turning the wheel to the right or say hello to the Mad Hatter.
Say hello to me!
Bienvenidos al Party Party. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la taza. Y por favor, cuide a...
Alrighty folks, enjoy your spin.
Hey, how about we're done? Take a picture when we're done before we get off, okay?
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
Once again, my friends, please remain firmly seated until your teacup has moved to a full and complete stop. And now that it has let down, gather your belongings, watch your step, and make your way towards the nearest green exit gate by the Alice in Wonderland attraction. Thank you.
Get it on top?